In the blessed soil of Anantapur, Hebbevu is set to transform agriculture land investment forever. We are a fully managed organic farming company where we sell farmlands to our customers with 100% ownership and manage their farmland starting from the plantation of a crop till the harvest and market the agri-goods as well. Hebbevu is a simple and secure collaborative platform that enables you to engage in profitable agribusiness opportunities from the comfort of your home. You can invest in farms, trade in commodities, and count your profits. Our company majorly focuses on timber plantation, cash crops, and animal husbandry. Historically, agriculture investments like land purchase, horticulture plantation, cattle rearing has been accessible to investors with significant capital, vast industry expertise, and direct connections to vendors. We at Hebbevu have removed those barriers by managing farms and providing land at an affordable price to everyone. We design and plan our project with internal roads for access, water infrastructure, electric infrastructure, community area with common guest house, swimming pool, kitchen gardening with indoor and outdoor activity zone. Our location, Penukonda, is the hottest investment destination because of the transformation that's happening in the manufacturing field. Desh today. Come, visit our farms today to see very good plantations. Rare breeds of cattle like Gir, Kankrej, Ongol, Saiwal, and Rati. Where we sell our dairy products through our subsidiary brand Kshira Organic Milk. Come, invest with us and connect to the roots of agriculture with assured returns. For more details, visit us on www.hebbevu.com or contact us on 096 119 11943. We would be happy to answer your questions and set up a meeting with you.